Excellency, the chairman of the night, my running mate, and all the governors here present, and head of states and parastatals, the clergies, and particularly the celebrant. The celebrant was a great author, a clergy, a heel of intellectual capacity. Yes, you are a short man. But I know one thing, no matter how short you are, you get out, you will see the sky. You are looking at the sky of who you are, the preliminary man today. It's not just the question of education alone. There are so many educated relics. It's about the character, who you are, consistency. You've persevered. We'll be in the trench together. You know my name. You didn't, because of that religion, discriminate. In terms of education, you're a big contributor. Both in America and in Nigeria. I can speak for you because of who you are. A great man, a great mind, a very resilient intellectual who had made positive contribution to our country. We appear to be in confusion about our nation. I heard about the second stanza from Coyote. Coyote had forgotten that we had one national anthem before that. It says, though tongues and tribes may differ, but in brotherhood we stand. And he sent me the second stanza too. It's a pledge that Nigeria, I'm ready to serve. It's about service to this country. We inherited speaking in tongues from the Bible. But our diversity is a promise for prosperity. You are building an institution in the honor of your 70. I am 72. I could say contribute. I'm just months older than you are. But Bishop, you will help build not the institution, but the greatness of a nation. It's on your shoulder, it's on mine, and we must build it together. I must, and I will, contribute handsomely, personally to build and see to the completion of that institution because it reflects something. Thank you very much.